Happy Sunday, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Love Thy Life. Today's video is going to be about some organization, coffee bar inspiration. I'm sure all of you guys have that one corner in your living room or kitchen that always collects garbage stuff, mostly unused things, or sometimes your bags or your grocery bags or the stuff that you don't want to put away. I did have a corner like that in my place as well, and I decided that, let's make the most of our use of our space, and also it will help me keep more organized and get motivated to get inspired. Guys, I've always wanted to have a coffee shop, and I decided why not take the first step towards it by having one at my own home. All the stuff that I'm using in this DIY or makeover or redecor, whatever you want to call it, is under $70. So this is budget friendly. If you're on a budget, you're gonna love this. Other than that, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I post a video every Sunday, and if you guys do like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Other than that, guys, let the shenanigans begin.